In this big box, I got an office chair from ELECWISH. It's an ergonomic chair with lumbar support and swivel rocking and a lot of other functions. Let's unbox it, put it together, and check it out. Let's open this box. One of the armrests. The back. Yes. Another one. Ooh. Last but not least, another thing. And that's the whole chair. Now I'll show you how to assemble it. I believe this is the base. Actually, you can see the instructions here, assembly instructions. Screws and tool. So we need, from these screws, we need to put all the screws here. And we need a tool from here, which you can just use a knife to cut it out. And let's do this. Tighten it. Now I'll add all of them, and I'll show you how to add the wheels after. These ones are pretty much exactly the same, what you did with that. Okay, now that we've got all of this together, I'll just show you how to add the wheels now. So the wheels are really easy to add. You should just be able to push them. And that's it. And that's what you'll have to do with all of them. Just press them. Nice and easy. Okay. Now we'll add this. More tricky or not. So you just push it inside and you're done. So it looks all white. Really nice. We also have this piston. It goes in just like that. Really nice and easy. And that's your base. So that's the bottom piece, the piece we sit on. We'll need to attach this to it. Since this is the bigger piece, this comes in the back. As we can see here, we have screws. And I believe this is controlled from the front. So this thing goes in the front, meaning where the wide part is. It actually says here front, and then we have 4 screws here. So after we've added this, we should add these two right here on the back before we add them here. So as you can see, that's the right one. And we'll be using the last small screws. And then the other side, the left side. And now we can add this to the back and this one here. Alright, they're all tight now, and now we just need to put this on the other side. And I'll show you how you do it right now. That's the base. And now we'll add the top on, just like this. And we're done. As you can see, let's do this rocking, it's really cool. And then you can also do this. And you can just put it just like that. And it also looks really good, this white, all white, nice, with this desk, and it looks really good with the mouse. And you also have here lumbar support, which is really good for your back. Really nice. I'm gonna do some work now.